We're here. So excited. So incredibly excited. That's loud. Alright. Okay. Let me get this in front of me. Are we here? Do we have a presence? Is there someone in the room with us? Hey guys. Howdy, howdy. How is everyone doing? I think this is day 3 of the live JBot. I should call it JChat. Should I change it to JChat? I like that more for now. JChat. Boom. JChat. Should I have a dash? No. That's stupid. JChat. Anyone got it? We did like someone did Bimbot, which is like bimbo. Bimbot. That'd be funny. J W stream, thank you. Ronaldo edits. Bimbot. I do love Bimbot. Estimated time to, oh god, I have no idea. This is software development, baby. There ain't nobody got any idea. I did make a cool little random generator, random like sentence type generator thing. So every time like I do a test with it, it like does a random thing instead of just constantly being the same message each time. It does differently. But that's the chat. There it is right there. We just need to now connect it to the stream. So let's do it. For people wondering, again, we don't, what tech stack you use. I mean, we're writing it in Python and just have a bunch of packages connected using YouTube's API to connect to YouTube chat, all that. JChat. Does anyone, or do we like Bimbot? I mean, I really do like Bimbot. I don't know if that's very commercially. Not that JChat is either, but I don't know. Bimbot. I think it'd be BIM bot. Bimbot. We could change it to, for the time being, you know, let me put my ego aside, right? We'll call it Bimbot. Bimbot. There you go. For bimbo. Bimbot. See, but that's what I'm saying. Like, it's like kind of, it's, I guess it's a reference to our streams, our BeamNG streams, when I call everyone bimbo. Don't use OpenAI. Why? There's no reason to. This is just a chat service. That's all it is. There's no need for any of that. No natural language processing needing to be going on over here. Can you enlarge the IDE? No, I can't. I'm sorry. Sid. I'm going to call you Sid. The reason we're doing this is because to kind of protect the code, respectfully, to protect the code. But let's get into it. I'm not going to waste time because I got a time crunch. So last time we were having issues where it wasn't connecting to YouTube for some reason. I have an authentication system, authentication thing that connects. It asks me to log into my YouTube account. There we go. It's signed in. And then we get a problem that the key isn't good. So what I want to do, I'm gonna have ChatGPT help me with this, just to kind of help look up the documentation for the YouTube API. It's just much more efficient. Everyone say rest in peace to Stack Overflow. R.I.P. Stack Overflow. Their members have plummeted since ChatGPT. So let me go to, I was like researching this with ChatGPT. Rest in peace, Stack Overflow, yep. Play BeamNG, no. Guys, we're working on this to make the BeamNG. I mean, look at the big picture. The whole point is to get back to BeamNG. Okay, so this was for, because we got the stream elements. We actually have this incorporated with stream elements as well. So let me do this real quick. I'm gonna do a few things. I need to so I'm gonna have ChatGPT help me with this one dilemma we're having. So that's stream elements. We don't care about that. There we go. Okay. And then I'll send in this message. What is BeamNG? BeamMG? It's that car game. BeamNG. The error you're encountering is due to using the entire YT channel object as a key in the last messages dictionary. Keys in dictionaries must be hashable, and complex objects like YT channel resource are not hashable by default. To fix this, you should use a unique identifier or string as the key instead of the YT. Yeah, so, okay, so... so I'm thinking we could use to separate, because hold on. So to separate the YouTube channels, each message. So this system works by keeping track of each platform's last message. And I am using a dictionary to store those values. And I'm thinking the key I was using as the entire YouTube channel object, and Python doesn't like that. So I thought, okay, well then let's get the ID of the YouTube channel. I think that would be a good way of doing it. So channel ID. All right, so let's do this. So we'll create a definition called get list. Okay. So what if I add ID in there? We actually have a function that slightly does this already. I think I added ID to it. It should work. We could set this to just be this. We actually don't use this for anything else. So we could do get channel ID and then the YouTube object, and then it could return, well, we could do this. We could say info equals, and then info dot items. Well, see, that's where we could get it from that. Items 0 ID. So get channel ID, there we go. We just grabbed the ID. And we could use that as the key to store what our latest message is on that YouTube platform, that YouTube channel. So that should work. Are you using neural networks? What? Guys, we're just making a chat reading thing, and that's it. There's no natural language anything going on. This is literally just grabbing chats from websites using YouTube's API, Stream Elements API to grab donations. So that's what this is for. This is what BIMBot, sorry, now it's been renamed to BIMBot. That's what it's for. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go back to down here. So for the key, we're gonna do this. We're gonna say key equals, we'll call it ID key equals get get channel ID, and then we're going to throw in the YouTube channel as the object. So now we got the ID key, and instead of using the YouTube channel as the key, we're going to use the YouTube channel ID as the key, which should hopefully work. Get chat, that's good. Last message type, that's for all that. We don't need that anymore. Oh, we could just put it there for now. YouTube channel, do that, that, and then the ID key. So I think we've essentially replaced, we've made it that the ID key is, the channel ID is now the new key for storing what the message last was. So let's run it. Let's see how this does. So we're going to run the bot. I have to re-authenticate my YouTube channel so it connects. Continue. There we go. All right, so let's see. So it said none, which might be valid. Last dictionary, where, let's do this. Oh, we never return it? That's funny. We never return it. There we go. Return, we weren't returning the key from the definition. That would do it for sure. That would, I mean, when we give it nothing, that's valid. We asked it to give it to us, and then we never told it to return it back. Okay, so we got the key this time, which is good. That's good news. It didn't like... So this is what we need to do. If keys... Well, we should say if the key is not, if the key is not in it, we have to set it. Okay, so that now is fixed. So I need to make a comment. So if the key is not found, that's because we've never set it yet. So if key not found, if YouTube, if channel ID key not found, set latest message. So we could actually print this just in case. Setting default message to, and then we could actually print it, temp last message. Let's see how that, like, that would definitely be a big piece of the puzzle, because we weren't, it doesn't have anything to read. It's like, this doesn't exist. So let's see how that does. You're goated. Thank you, Cactus, with a Z. Why do you not post gaming videos? I do. What are you talking? Bro, it was like, I posted a video like 4 days ago. What are you talking about? Oh, I didn't make it a freaking string. God forbid. Everyone say thanks, Python. God forbid I freaking don't put string in front of any message. Good Lord. So it did set it, though. That was the good thing. It called that to set it. And then I guess we can do string here as well. Okay. Let's see. So JBot. It's called JBot in the Python. The Python file name is JBot, but I could change. I could refactor it to Bimbot. Jaden, I will raid in your house if you don't respond. No, please. Please don't. Please don't cheese. That looked good. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look. Look. It's running. It's running. I mean, obviously we have to fix some things, but it's running right now. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Obviously it's slow right now, of course. Of course. It's working. I dislike the number. Yeah, all my template messages. All right, let me turn it off. Let me turn it off so YouTube doesn't get mad at us. So it sleeps every 5 seconds. Oh my god, guys, can we get a round of applause? Can we get a freaking round of applause for that in the chat? Use the clap emoji. Oh my goodness. Good Lord. So that's fantastic. Boop-a-doop. All right. Here we go. So it calls it. I need to keep track of how many times it's calling this. Look at all those clap emojis. Fantastic. Let's run it again. I kind of removed some of the print logs for myself so I can read it a little bit better. I have it right now. So what it's supposed to do is update every 5 seconds. But in the meantime, it's supposed to like give the illusion that it's keeping. I mean, it's always keeping up to date just every 5 seconds. But you do, that's to prevent major API calls. Oh, here we go. Ah, it did not like, I think, the clapping emoji. That is funny. That is hilarious. It didn't like the clapping emoji. So how do we do that? How would we prevent? So Axel crashed the entire thing. Axel crashed the entire thing. I don't know why it's not loading again though. It's all here. I don't. Hello? That's that one. Excuse me. Can you reload, please? Can we run it? Why? Chat updater. Let's run this. Boop. Excuse me. Why is it not showing? It's showing right here. Do I have to re-grab? Do I need to refresh it for some reason? Hello? Now it's just not showing at all, but it's like literally, it's still perfectly fine. Why would that be the case? Are you coding a sex bot? No, I'm not. Yeah, no, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but no, I'm not. I'm not. I apologize. So, can we look at the logs? Is there something it didn't like? It's not there anymore. It actually does not. There's something that happened, but I don't get it. The code is here, folks. Why? Here's every message. It's just not appearing in OBS anymore for some reason. Look, when I run it, when I like start up, there it is, right there. There's the chat. You guys can see it in the top left. It's like all here. So why is OBS being a little butthole? Everyone say OBS is a butthole. The B stands for butthole. Let me literally just delete it and add it again. Bimbot. Hello. And then let me run it. Copy the link. Paste. Ah! There you go. What was that all about? Why is it... Oh, wait. Let me fix it. Maybe something weird happened where it... Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. 800. There you go. I mean, that just proves that that was OBS. Literally just proved that was OBS having a stroke. That's unfair. That's unfair, OBS. So, does anyone want to give me something? We need a. Let me. Let's see. How about I could do a try? I could do that. So I could go to our chat updater. And I could do, like, we try to do this, okay? So try, hello? We actually don't, we could literally just try to save the file. And if it doesn't work, then that's fine. So we can do a try statement, try to save the file with the exception print error. What do I need to find? I think I do a try somewhere. There's somewhere I do a try thing. I always forget how to do tries and exceptions. Do I have it anywhere? Yes, I do. Except. Let me just copy this. We'll just do this, and then it can print the exception as a string. Exception. So this way, no matter what, text won't crash the website. Let me also make like a let me save this as like template or something so I don't lose all of our HTML site that we've created. So now, what happened to me? What just happened? What was that? How long was it like that? Oh my gosh. Okay, are we ready? Are you kiddos ready? You kiddos ready? Okay. Okay. Hey. All right. All right. Who was that? That was not Dad. That was Uncle, I would say. Okay. All right. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Now you kids. You kids better not tell your father, all right? Okay. All right. Okay. I'm psychologically insane. All right, so the chat is working, which is good. So let us run it again. Let's do it. Everyone say in the chat. Test 2. Test 2. Count them. 2. Authenticate. Jaden Williams. Continue. Continue. Watch it. Watch it. You ready? Bro, it crashed again. How's that possible? We did a try thing so it doesn't do that. What crashed it, huh? What you yelling at me for? You didn't like... You didn't like that. Okay, well, did it mess up beforehand? Something caused it to mess up beforehand. Update. What did you... It seems like Imora had an issue with this. Which does make sense that this was the actual issue. Non-type object has no attribute find. Yeah, I didn't find it because the whole thing got like destroyed, got freaking annihilated. How about we try, instead of just there, we'll just do the whole damn thing. If it can't write it, then that's fine. Okay. So again, we reversed it. It's still not here. Watch this. I have to freaking... Can I turn it off? Can I refresh it? Is there, wait, local file? No, it's not. Refresh. There we go. Stupid freaking thing. Okay, so here we go. Jaden, are you a communist? I'm not. Not at the moment. No, never. All right, so we're going to go to JBot again, even though it's called Bimbot. I'm sorry. The naming conventions are a little off right now. There's a lot of names. All right, it's running. So right now, it's supposed to be like, if it can't rewrite it. Jaden is goofy. I gotta fix the twitching thing. There it goes again. None type has no attribute find. How is that possible? It's actually still writing them. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna shut it down. Shut it down, Otto! It's only a spike. It'll contain itself. I don't know how it goes. So it keeps something. I think it's finding certain emojis that's messing it up. Let me go to chat updater. I definitely think it's that. I think that you guys are writing something that breaks it. That's why. Should I like, how about I like copy some emojis and just slap them in here and see what happens. Okay, so let me for one, not my webcam. Let me refresh Bimbot. It's broken. Okay, there we go. And then refresh again in stupid OBS because I have to do it manually for some reason. Bam. Okay, you ready? So I'm about to send emojis in the chat. You ready? So it seems like emojis kill it. I have it. You see these little tiny emojis in the top left corner? They're right here. You can barely see them. That's where my blue highlight is. So there's two little emojis I added. I'm going to run it. And then it deletes it all. So I need to do a check for CareMap codec can't encode characters in position. All right. Well, let me. Let's ask ChatGPT. Everyone say hashtag ChatGPT. What should I do about emojis in text when I get this error? Boop. So it's definitely the problem, which I guess, and we were right. Which doesn't really make sense. It should be trying and then, I don't know. It shouldn't be saving it. It should be skipping it. Make code bigger. No. It's preserving the code. So we could do encoding. It's saying we could write it. Encoding equals UTF-8. Right, if I'm displayed in the console. Without encode. Ooh, so this might do it. This might do it. UTF-8. Let's see. Let's see. What I don't understand is we have a try and accept, like an exception. So I don't really understand why, if there's a try, we would even be failing in the first place. That doesn't really make sense to me. It's like, okay, you failed, so don't do what you just did. I guess because it can't maybe it's probably because it can't undo it. So we're gonna go to chat updater. So now we got emojis. You ready? Is the website fixed? Yes. Let me go to JBot. Let me refresh it for you guys because again, everyone say thanks OBS. I have to freaking manually refresh it myself in OBS. All right, here we go. So we have two emojis. You guys ready? I'm gonna see manually if it will work now. Let's see if it crashes the whole thing. There they are. Look, right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, everyone say it. We have emojis. We have emojis. Come on. We have emojis. There we go. There we go. Oh, wow. I'm happy. I'm happy. We got emojis. So now, oh, God, you guys are going to scare me with the custom emojis because it's definitely not going to know what the heck that is. We have Normal emojis, not custom emojis, okay? So, should we run it again? Let's run it again. Let's frickin' run it. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Let's connect the YouTube to it. Here we go. Continue. I'm authenticating the Google account. I really need to figure out how to make it do it on its own. There we go. It's running. You ready? Here it goes. Here it goes. That's my last one. There it is. Oh, my Lord. Hashtag destroy the code. I don't know really why. It's like... So this time it seems... It's like it didn't crash. I'm trying to see what's going on here. Is there an element issue? I don't understand. So it might be those emojis that it's not liking. Let me copy this. Turn it off. Hallelujah. 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 Thank you to Shays Bro for destroying my entire code in my work. Decoy string. Oh, they're putting a B in front of it. What does that stand for? So they're doing when they're writing it, which is right here, instead of an F, they're doing a B. I'm gonna ask it what the difference is. The difference between F and B. Destroy the coder. F prefix an F string, which is format string literal, so you can do multiple lines, which we were aware of that. And B, it denotes binary mode when working with files. For example, RB is used open file in binary in distinct context with pipe. Okay, well, let's see. I mean, we can test it. Testy test. So if I do a manual, I think it really doesn't like that message. I think that's the problem. Oh no, it's almost like, you know what? You guys won't believe this. I just realized. It's like OBS is wrong. Hold on, you ready? I'm gonna refresh OBS. That's not the same. Oh, I'm looking at the template. My bad, my mistake, guys. I'm gonna get rid of this last comment and see if that's why. Oh, I bet I know. I know why. I know why. It's because it's not being able to, I think, remove things. So I wonder if it would work now. So chat updater, run. Why is it doing that? Because of the B? It doesn't like B. I'll tell you that much. But I bet I know why. So that's update chat box. Is there a better way to... I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. File content. We could, technically, we could do this. We could do B. And then instead of this... Oh god, this could be tough. You guys ready? Well, it's reading it as B. Look, see, it doesn't read it the same. Can I do FB? BF? No. There is, it did say RB. Arby's. We have the meats. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize. Could I then? I don't understand. There's something about the text. It's really just not liking reading and writing the emojis. That's the big problem. It's like right now it should be fine. So like it's good. Oh my lord. Okay. Okay. It really doesn't like emojis. I'm going to tell you that much. I just have... What in God's name is happening with OBS right now? What's going on? Why is it like... Does it have a freaking filter on it? No. What is happening right now? Okay. Well, this is what I'm going to do to save my code. We're going to copy this, paste to fix it. There we go. That was horrifying. That might be the scariest thing I think I've ever seen. I don't know. That was pretty terrifying. So now if I run it with one emoji, look, see it worked there. And then look, you see? It doesn't like it the second time. Why would that be? It doesn't like moving it for some reason. But that's it, right? You guys noticed that? Watch the emoji. You ready? Bam. Look, it got even worse. So watch this emoji go up one. And now it's not right. Okay, so let me think about this. Hold on. Oh, could I do F? B? I don't know. F. I'm trying here, guys. I'm trying. And then boop. Boop. There we go. Oh. Didn't like that. Didn't like that one bit. Didn't. Hello? 1, 2. Bam. Oh. I don't understand. What you not liking? What you not liking here? All right, so you need parenthesis, curly brace. Oh, quote, parenthesis. There we go. Will it like it now? It doesn't like it. Yeah, it doesn't like it. I'm gonna be real with you. It doesn't like it. And then it starts doing this freaking moving thing, which it's just got a mind of its own at that point. I don't even know what that is. That's terrifying. That's terrifying to me. What about B? Bruh. For bruh. Everyone say bruh. I'm sorry. Don't do that. I'm so sorry. Can we do oh, let's have it encode that way as well. Oh, here we go. Let's see if this works. So it sends the emoji. Bam, there we go. It needs to read it that way as well. It needs to read it as, because before I was writing it, freaking I got the freaking ink pen with the feather out, and I'm writing, and then I'm like, oh man, this is how you write emojis. And then when I'm reading the emojis, it's like, what the hell did we just look at? But now it's doing the encoding for UTF-8. Okay? So now it's encoding, reading it, and then writing it. So there we go. So now the emojis work. Everyone, I'm hoping. Should we run it? Should we connect the bot? Should we connect the bot? Here we go. Here we go. Let's see it. Everyone say it. Everyone say yeah. All right, here we go. Authenticating. Continue. Continue. We're finally making headway, folks. All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on. This is for all the marbles, please. All right. Okay. Okay. I'm liking it. It got Nathan. It wrote Nathan's message a few times. We'll have to fix that. All right. It just keeps writing, I think, Nathan's message over and over again. Watergate. Okay. So, like, let's see. Let's get somebody. So, Ren GV. Let's see if his... Like, it should be writing all of them. Did it write Ren G... Like, I don't see that. Shout me out, Lil Jaden. What? Did he just call me Lil? Let's go to JBot and disable the stream elements thing for now. We're working on YouTube. Okay. So go to definition. So set key ID based on channel ID. Well, it should be set key based on channel ID. If no chat, if no chat, skip channel. If no chat, skip channel. Channel chat. Then again we do set chat. It executes it. Message count -1. So why would, oh yeah, because yeah, we go backwards. So it gets the last message. Get latest message in chat. Okay. It also, we do, here, let me just actually put this. I'm adding comments, folks, for people wondering. Just kind of adding some comments for myself. Retrieve latest message. Last message index. Remember this last message. So let me make sure we're setting that. So if channel ID, so if the channel ID key is not found, it sets, so like if it doesn't have a previous message, it can check where the last message was. It says, okay, well, we haven't run this yet, so we're going to set this last message as the last message. So it does that. Set latest message as the last message. So then we set an array of recent messages. And then we got the message. And then we do -1. Scan for recent messages. Display message. I'm going to do this. Plus, comma, and then plus the message, so we can just have one less print statement. And then it reverses the order of them. Reverses order of last discovered messages. And then prints them. Let me do this as well. Let's kind of show that it's working. Can I get a shout out? Hey, Clips. The code has beef with you. I don't know about that. Hopefully not. Bimba is pretty cool. Look at this username. That's a long username. Some random guy with some random talent. So we reverse the order of the list to make sure that we're writing them in the correct order. This is where we only sleep. Let's make it wait 1 second maybe. And then the same with text to speech, we're going to make it wait 1 second. I guess we can make it wait 1 second either way. So there we go. And then it does donation from user. All right, let's see what this looks like. You guys ready? And then in the end, hold on, how does this work? It returns the last message. Right, okay. And then we set it right there as the temp last message, which makes perfect sense. And temp last message gets set to our last message that we set right here. Okay, JBot. Should I rename? I think a lot of my code depends on that file name, so I'm not gonna change the file name right now. All right, authenticating, continue. It's supposed to refresh every like 5 seconds. Please shout out. That was good. It got Danny Hill's latest message. The code has beef with you. There's forbidden. It does like keep up. Let's do this. It's writing a lot of unnecessary code. Or unnecessary logs. Let me fix that real quick. So it's going to, it's definitely in here. I think I have it, it prints something somewhere. Print error. I don't know where it's printing the YouTube channel. Print added YouTube account, get YouTube accounts. It's like printing all the credentials of the channel every time, which is unnecessary. It doesn't need to print the path every time now. Let me just highlight print everywhere. Get rid of that. Again, let's look at all the prints. Okay. JBot, is it printing in here? Let's run it again. Let's re-authenticate. Authenticating. Added YouTube account. All right, there we go. So it's adding them. I see now. So it did it. I think it is keeping up. It doesn't like hair tutorial. Let's see it show hair tutorial. Hair tutorial right there. Okay, so I have an idea. You guys can help me figure this out. You ready? So if, help me do the math here. So, like you guys, should we get the whiteboard out? Should we get the whiteboard out? It's working, which is awesome. Oh, why Jaden? Hashtag why Jaden confirmed. Should we get the whiteboard out? Let's get the whiteboard. So, another another teaching lesson. You guys ready? So, well, I have a dent in my white. It's a freaking dent right there. You can't see it. I don't know. It's right there. Anyways, here we go. You ready? So, naturally, you have the messages. You know, like that, right? Going down. Now, naturally, you might think, hey, let's just keep calling YouTube. Let's keep calling it to retrieve the latest messages, right? Like every nanosecond, right? Every millisecond, just constantly. Anytime it's done, reach out again. Like, hey, give us the new chat updates. Give us the new chat updates. What's the problem with that? What's the dilemma? What's the problem with doing that? Let's see who knows it in the chat. What's the problem with rate limit? That's good. Rate limit, says Zidian. Too many API calls. I think we can only get 10, maybe 5 or 10,000 API calls a day from YouTube. I requested them to give me more API calls. They turned me down because they're like, this is a stupid solo project you're doing, Jaden. We're not going to give you more API calls just because you asked. So it's API calls. It's too much. It's not too computational. It's just that YouTube only gives you a certain quota every day, which mine is like 5,000. The default is like 5,000. Okay? Or something like that. 10,000 maybe. So it's too many API calls. So what we do is we make it, we get like the last messages, right? And now we make it wait 5 seconds. That's a 5 seconds. There you go, right? You do less API calls. What's the problem with that? If you're getting the latest message every 5 seconds, what's the issue? What's the issue if you are getting the latest message every 5 seconds? Come on, let me see it in the chat. Let's see. Let's see if you guys can figure it out. What's the problem with getting the message? Mrs. Chat, says Medieval Pack 8. Skipping. It's skipping. It's skipping messages. Just in gaming YouTube, it'll skip other messages. Exactly. So what we do, what our algorithm does, is we have it, well, it does wait that 5 seconds, and then it goes back and then finds the ones that it missed. Okay? So now we have them, it starts here and goes backwards. So now you have all the messages. But what's the problem with that? What's the problem with that? If that is the sequential way it does it, what's going to be the problem when it prints these messages to the screen right here? What happens? Order is wrong, says Lisp. It's in reverse order, says Medieval Pack. It's going to be in reverse order. So what we do is before we print it, we just grab them all and then reverse order them. So now it does naturally do them properly. Every 5 seconds. So now you've made it that every 5 seconds it gets all the chat. So that's how our chat here that we're working on works. So it's pretty cool. So we made it that it keeps up with chat and makes like 100x times the amount of less API calls. And so what I'm trying to do Now is I want to make it, here's the next part of our algorithm, okay? Let's see if anyone can figure it out. Let's see if anyone can figure it out. So it prints all the messages and then, then another 5 seconds happens. What's the problem? What's the issue that we're going to run into? And we've seen it during this chat. What's the dilemma that happens? Let's see if any of you can figure it out. What happens? So it writes all the messages really fast. There's a hint. It puts down all the messages super quick. Timing, says Preacher. It's definitely about timing. Doesn't repeat chat. It's about timing. It's going to run slow. What's going to happen is I'm looking for a word. It starts with the letter D. Yeah. I mean, it's fast, and then what's going to happen? There's going to be a delay, says Phillips. A delay. So what's going to happen is it's going to write them, and then it has to wait 5 seconds for it to... So this is what we're going to do. You ready? How do you fix that? Let's see if anyone knows the equation in their head. So you have X amount of messages, right? X amount of messages that need to be printed in 5 seconds, because that we want to make it that it fills in those gaps between those 5 seconds. So what's the math behind determining each message per second? Divide 5 seconds by X. Exactly. That's it. Divide 5 seconds by X. There you go. That is the next basic little algorithm equation that we need to add to our system, which will be super easy. So that's it. So now what we'll have is a system that makes it, and it's all about illusion. And don't get me wrong, the chat in the black box, which is Restream, does the exact same thing. Except it doesn't even do it as well. You see how it there's delays in messages? Watch. It'll you see how it kind of moves every so often? We're going to make ours. We're going to have it divide by 5 based on X amount of messages that it discovered in the last run. So that will be so easy. This will be like a couple line thing. So we're going to go to YouTube here. And we're going to do this. We're going to say, so we have for messages and recent messages. So we're going to do this. We're going to get the amount of recent messages. So total messages equals recent, what do you do, count? How do you get, what's the, is it recent messages dot count? Is that it? Is it dot count? Does anyone know? You guys want wide, Jaden? Let's see. There you go. Wide, Jaden. Is it dot count? I need to check. Seeds. I don't think it's dot length, is it? Oh, yeah. It is length. It's length parenthesis, because this is Python. It's not. Maybe you could do dot length. Nediar set it. Length parentheses. Okay, so there we go. So we got the total messages. I'll just call it message count. And so now what we're going to do, and this is as easy, message count, and I'll just call it division. So you get the count divided by 5, right? So if you had, let's pull out a calculator. So if you had 25 messages divided by 5, or is it 5 divided by 25? Yeah, it's 5 seconds divided by X amount of messages, correct? Yeah, that's what it is. So you got 5 seconds, X amount of messages. So now we've made it that, and then we're going to set that as the sleep time. Bam. There we go. Message count. There we go. We did it. And so now we can actually get rid of this wait 5 seconds because we've automatically made it wait 5 seconds. So that's cool. There we go. Pretty awesome. Shall we test it? So I want you guys to write as much as you can. So what it will do is based on however many messages there are, it's going to wait 5 seconds between each message, each update of the chat. But secretly, it's making it look like it's fast because it gives the illusion of the messages constantly coming down. But in reality, it's only updating the chat every 5 seconds. Continue. All right, let's see if this works. Oh, division divided by 0. Oh, well, that's fair. That's that's funny. That's understandable. We could do if, you can just say if, well, if recent messages, if the length of recent messages is greater than 0. Yeah, because it's like the first time around, there's no messages to check because it doesn't know. So that should fix that. Okay. Yeah, that was just one of those ifs, just one of those cases where it's like the first time it starts up, it doesn't, there's no messages for it to read yet or to like check back on. There's no previous message. All right, let's see. So there we go. At the moment, how many people we got in, how many people we got on YouTube right now? Everyone spam as much as you can, if you're able. There we go. There we go. Look, look, it's doing it based on, you see that? Oh my God, that's so cool. So it's trying to, oh, and there you go, it crashed it. I think you guys were doing it so fast, it couldn't even keep up any longer. It's like, I don't know what's going on. You literally deleted the website. That is so funny. Okay. So let me copy our website again because it, oh no, it's still there. What's with OBS? Hold on, do you see this? It's still there. So let me check OBS again real quick. Refresh. Well, that's unfair. What am I supposed to do if OBS can't keep up? Like, why does OBS have an issue? You know what I mean? I don't even understand what I'm supposed to do there. And let me actually print. I'm going to have it print how many times it's run. So I can like kind of see if we're having a problem. And count plus equals 1. Okay, there we go. So now this will tell me how many times it's getting called. Just to make sure we're not like, ooh, it is sending it a lot. Oh, I bet I know why. I know why. Because what's happening, okay. JBot. YouTube, here we go. So instead we're gonna say else message count div equals just 5 seconds. Yeah, there we go. That's what the problem was there. We were calling it a lot just then. Okay. So we were just making a lot of API calls to YouTube. Oopsie. Haha. Silly me. Everyone say silly goose. No, it's still updated. Updated 5. Those are some wasted... Ooh, don't do that. Don't freaking waste my API calls like that, you little stinker. I guess because there's no messages. So we can do... I guess we could actually just do a time.sleep 5 seconds instead. All right, there we go. Yeah, that checks out. Okay. JBot, run, authenticate, continue, continue. Okay. That looks good. All right, I need everyone to spam for me. Just spam, try to write something valid. All right, there we go. Oh, God. It looks like it's doing it, guys. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my God. So, Dad, I want to go home. There it is. Okay. Oh, my God. Is it working, like, really well? Oh my God. Now tell me this does not look better than Restream over here. You cannot tell me this, even though they're probably, let's be fair, they're probably both like pretty much, oh, there it goes. It crashed. Or let's see if it actually crashed or if it's stupid OBS. It is. It's stupid OBS. It's still working. Look. It's still working. Refresh. I mean, that's so unfair. It's still running. It's like OBS sometimes breaks it for some reason. I don't know why. What am I supposed to do? It didn't crash. I didn't even restart it. It was stupid OBS. What do I do when OBS? Restream looks... They have the social media, you know, emoji things. OBS is doo-doo. It does seem like look at that. It like grabbed that one several times. But tell me like how much more like fluid this looks compared to Restream. You see what I mean? It's like it keeps it moving instead of how slow Restream is looking. If that makes sense. It's like this is doing it more. It's making it look, it's flowing more often. You see what I mean? I like my colors as well. Restream has no colors. It's also seeming to skip some. Yeah, I think Restream does. Now here. You ready? Oh my God, this is the big moment. Can we test something? Does someone want to test a YouTube super chat on the main channel? Because I think text to speech works. I'm not kidding. I think it works. I'm hoping. I think it does work, but this is the moment of truth because we haven't even tested it. And this is my own system. This is our own thing. Oh, I know why it's repeating messages. It's not repeating Oh, make the code. Let's see. Let's see if it does it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We got something. Thank you to VY VY Carpet. I don't know. Make the code block larger. I can't see the text. Yeah, we're doing that to protect the code. Unfortunately. Let me just see what it had issues with here. Can only concatenate string, not dictionary to string. Huh? It doesn't like something here, guys. Okay, so that actually, the text-to-speech almost works. What does it not like? Oh. It might just be, yeah, it's the string. It doesn't like that they're strings, which is totally fair. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is it. You ready? Oh my god, okay. Thank you, VYC again. Thank you for that. All right, let's run it again. You ready? And if someone is helpful, we can see if this super chat bot works for text-to-speech. It's up. Okay, it's running. It's running. It's running, guys. I'll try to like also keep track of the YouTube. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. All right. So if anyone's willing to again send a super chat of any, it can be frickin'. I think it has to be at least $1.99. I would greatly appreciate it if we can test it. Shout me out, Jaden says Forbidden Milk. Watching the YouTube live stream as well. Yeah, like comments for it to like detect or something. TK with the 1. Let's see. It's not going to see the super chat message, so it sees the donation. Hello? Oh. Oh, it's that's so funny. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Hold your horses. Thank you to Canon as well. Canon and TK. I think Canon, unfortunately, the guy right before you messed up your message. It was saying it though. It was saying the wrong thing. It was like reading out the information of the message. YouTube. Why was that not the right thing? Why was it? Oh, it's so, yeah, that is the wrong text, not message. I'm sorry, guys. It's supposed to write the text, not the message. There we go. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, that this is literally the only way I can test it, is by having people send a small, and don't literally send $1.99 if you're able to, because you don't. I would rather you be able to do like two $1.99 donations instead of a $5 one. if that makes sense. Mad Lad just sent. Oh.
Mad Lad says 99 cents from Mad Lad.
Did you guys hear that? You guys heard that, right? Oh my God. That's so funny. No message, but yeah. Yeah, so he didn't send a message because I think it has to be 199 for it to actually detect it. And then Canon, what is Canon's $5 message? That's probably the previous one. I fixed that since then, though. It's still running. If anyone wants to send one, I would greatly appreciate it. Donation. It's still running. I think it's good. Can I like, oh, here we go. All right, here we go, VY. Thank you. Let's see. This is the moment. This is the moment.
BYCRPT says $2 from BYCRPT. Does it work now? If not, then rip another $2.
Hey, thank you. Thank you to VYCRPT for the 2 and the official first proper donation. It did do something weird. Look at it. Where is it? It does $2. I don't know why it does it twice. Oh, do I have the text-to-speech also print it? That's probably why. No, I don't have it print it. So why is it printing twice? That is strange. It's still running. So unarmed ghost.
€2 from Unarmed Ghost. Great content. Love your vids. You're a G.
Thank you. Oh my God, this is amazing.
TK says £2 from TK. Congrats on getting it to work.
Thank you. JBot. Thank you guys. Why is it doing it twice though? See how it says 2 from TK? And that's saying it from the log, which is right here. User. It's almost like they're...
Mad Lad says €2.49 from Mad Lad. Congrats on the bot, but it is a little quiet.
Yeah, I can turn it up. I think that's more of the volume mixer. Oh no, it is up. So we'll have to maybe make it, maybe there'll be a way to increase the volume. Okay, so hang on. So update chat box. Why is it doing, you see Mad Lads? It's still doing it, right? Yeah. Okay, so I don't really get why when it does the update, there's two money things. So where's the from? I don't even have the word from in here. It's almost like, well, I need to see that message. Now it's like gone away. I think I should have copied it. Okay. Forbidden, I'm going to need you to write. You guys, I don't want you guys to spam. I need you guys to like write more unique stuff each time. Fortnite Battle Pass. Bimba's just jealous he has no gyat. Okay. That might be true. I woke up in a new Bugatti. Hello, this is test 1. It's pretty quick. Let me see. Okay, hello, this is test 3. Let's see how quick that is. And don't forget, it's having a loop through. So that's good. It's never, like, this is the best way to put it. It's never going to be more than 5 seconds delay, which is awesome. Are you live on Facebook? I probably am. Yeah. This is test 6. That's awesome. There's no kick stream. I know. Yeah. I know. All right, so the moment of truth. This is the real... You ready? We're going to make it that it detects from my main YouTube and YouTube Gaming. Are you guys ready? This is the moment of truth. Let me go to our YouTube Gaming channel. We got 113 people on the YouTube Gaming channel. Hey guys, how's YouTube Gaming? We're on the main YouTube and YouTube Gaming. So here we go. You ready? We're going to make it that it connects both the YouTube and YouTube Gaming together in one chat. This is going to be it. This is the real moment of truth. So let's do... oh man. Let me go to... We could actually have it based on the amount of YouTubes there are. Wouldn't you then just do... Based on the amount of YouTubes there are, you could then divide that by 2 or something like that. Or divide it by the amount of YouTube accounts to try to account for like the 5-second. I don't know. Okay, so YouTube accounts. So now we're going to go to JBot and we're going to set this to 2 accounts. And I'm going to sign into both. You guys ready? This is it. This is the moment. Here we go. Oh my God. So what I would like is for YouTube Gaming to write maybe gaming in the message. And then my main YouTube guys, you guys can write main in the message. Okay? So let's see if this works. So my main YouTube channel people write main and my gaming channel people write gaming or something. Oh my gosh. All right. So I just started it back up. I think it is, it's loading. I'm seeing main, and then I think it might cycle, it should cycle to gaming. There it is! There it is! Oh my God! We did it! It goes, oh my God, we did it! We did it! We freaking did it! It goes, it cycles through them. Ladies and gentlemen, we've connected 2 YouTube accounts, 2 YouTube channels in one chat. Microsoft, I'm setting the valuation for this at $2.3 billion. And it's going to go up double every single day. All right? You can buy it right now for the cheapest price of $2.3 billion. I'm putting it out right now. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. All right? You know? I think that's fair. Is that fair? That's reasonable. Right? That's reasonable. Think about this. Oh, Nathan said he'll buy it. Starting value at $6.9 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, we got YouTube Gaming and our main YouTube in the same chat. There we go. Freaking eat your heart out, Restream and Botrix. You guys, there's a freaking third threat on the table now, and it's called Bimbot. It's called Bimbot. And guess what? It can also handle, we haven't even got, it doesn't even stop there. It's about to be able to handle stream elements. It can handle stream element donations. Yeah. It can handle stream element donations. So not only Restream, guess what? Restream over here doesn't even detect donations. It doesn't even do donations. So if anyone, I'd appreciate it again. If anyone wants to do a $1.99 super chat on YouTube, you can do text-to-speech on either the gaming channel or the main channel. It should work either way, which is freaking awesome. I am so freaking pumped. This is amazing. Hashtag Bimbot and hashtag Wide Jaden. Oh my god. Can someone update? We just made it that the text, the chat is connecting both the gaming and our main YouTube channel together into one. Hashtag, can everyone do hashtag Bimbot, please? Like GG License just did. Hashtag Bimbot. Hey. Hashtag main. Thank you, Unarmed Ghost. I need to figure out why it says that. It's like their username. I wish I could hear it again.
BYCRPT says $2 from BYCRPT. Bimbot the best. Hashtag Wide Jaden. Hashtag Bimbot.
Hashtag Bimbot. Thank you.
Madlab says €2 from Madlab. CONGRATUALATIONS are making $2.3 billion.
Thank you, guys. Let me see if I can fix why. I guess text maybe. Let me get rid of that from the message. Let me see if that's it. So I'm gonna rerun it. Okay, it's down. Right. All right. So that was the last donation right then. So we're gonna go back to JBot. It's called Bimbot. It's still labeled JBot in the thing. Did I just sign in? I think I just, hold on. Let me do that again. I think I signed into the same account twice. Okay. Main channel. Continue. Continue. Then the gaming channel. Continue. Allow. There we go. All right. So, we're back up again. I think we may have fixed the text-to-speech, so it doesn't say, like, username says username. Let's just see what it does, okay? So if someone wants to, again, send a... And thank you, by the way, Yomo, for 11 months. I don't think I really have it. I definitely don't have it detect the memberships, of course, yet. But thank you so much, Yomo, for being an executive for 11 months. I greatly appreciate it so much. Test from the gaming channel. Let's see if it does it. Oh! It just needs to be refreshed. That's it. Quote? $1. $1. Why does it do $1, $1. It repeats it twice. YouTube tip. Why is the username? It's like the username is their money or something like that, which is just so strange. All right. How about I print? Let's see. So what's it getting? I need to see in the logs. Donation from $1. Where's the comma? So it says the amount. And then the text is $1 from Mr. Monkeys VR. Okay. And then the message. Jaden and Bimbot is a great couple. Isn't it are a great couple? You're so smart. You're a freaking genius. Who is that? Who is that? Nova, you're a freaking genius. You're so freaking smart. That's hilarious. You just, though, leaked how to hack my own thing, though. That is so funny.
$2 from BYCRTT. I got some chicken nuggets. You want some? Quote.
Quote. How about we just have it remove like the last letter or something? Yeah. Yeah, you could actually, technically, for people who know how to do HTML, you could change the colors and everything. I'm not even kidding. I have no HTML prevention whatsoever. So you could literally add, oh shoot, you could add images. That's not good. Hold on, we're gonna stop there. We're gonna stop there. I actually do need to now prevent this. How about, I need to check if it contains less than or greater than signs. Console.log. Script? Oh man, the power you would have over script. I'm so happy. That is funny. That's very funny. Ooh, marquee would have been funny. That's good. I love seeing people who do know HTML, and then there's people who don't know HTML. I bet VY Crypt, that probably would have worked. That definitely would have worked. Maybe. You could have done a P tag. I guess text would work. All right, so I do need to check for that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to YouTube. Well, I guess we can just go to chat updater. So we'll do this. So if we're going to do this. So if here, let me do text to speech first. I need to remove something. So text line equals text line -1. There we go. I need to get rid of that last end quote from the message for it to not say end quote every single time. So we got that. Now go to chat updater. So we need to make it, unfortunately, we need to make it that if it sees less than or greater than signs, which are of all HTML tags, right, that it doesn't let you print it. So we'll do this. If in message or in message, continue. Or I guess we just do return. That's it. We won't. Except it will remove it. So we got to do it before any of this. Let's just do it up here. That's it. You just got to do one check. Sorry to ruin the fun, guys. I'm so sorry. Do I let you guys do it for a minute? Yeah, we could check if there's a less than a greater than, but I don't want to. That gets too complicated. You guys don't need less than or greater than symbols. I will let you guys have fun for a minute, all right? This is the only time. Only time. Please don't ruin it for me. You literally could add you could add images if you're smart enough. Like if you understand HTML, you literally could add stuff. Which is the funniest. We would be the first we would be the first chat to allow that stuff. All right, there you go. There you go. So it's starting out. It's cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. There you go. There it goes. I'm going to have to like... That, oh my God, look at that message. That is so funny. Someone added a little animation. Oh my God, someone put this on my freaking screen. Oh God. Oh God. This is such a bad idea. It's such a bad idea. I'm scared. Oh, there goes OBS again. Freaking OBS like gets stuck. Here, I'll refresh it for you guys. There you go. Is it updating? Refresh, come on. Okay. Well, that didn't work. All right. Why did it get stuck? It's like Bimbot got, like the OBS thing got stuck. Unfortunately. This again. There we go. Oh my God. That's so good. The alert system. That's so clever. I love that. All right. Unfortunately now, I have to ruin your guys' fun. I could do this to help prevent some stuff. Hold on. YouTube. Let me do this. You ready? So let me go to... I'll do this. Okay? So... I could technically make like a bad words equals, and then we could actually do it this way. So we could say script. We'll just do that for now. So for word in bad words, we can just do this. There. So there we go. We removed script. Okay. So you guys can't do scripts anymore. Maybe iframe. What else? What would be like some bad ones, guys? Can anyone actually help me out here? So script will be removed. Iframe. I mean, you guys can still have fun with the chat. I'm just trying to make it so you don't, you know. Image. I almost want to let you guys do image, but I am scared of that. Links. That, well, we just wouldn't click it. We could do HTML would actually be a good one. What is that? href? I mean, you guys can't click it, but href, href. Yeah, I could do slurs. I'll do that off. I'll do that off stream. Yeah, body. That's a good one. I guess for some of these I should do like body. We could do HTML in brackets so that doesn't get caught. Is it head or header? It's head, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, I kind of want to prevent you guys. Did you remove script? Yeah, I did. All right. I'm a little scared, but I want to try it. I want to try it. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I am worried. Listen, to YouTube and anyone who sees this, I'm hoping this is a social experiment to allow people to write messages in the chat using HTML. All right, there you guys go. It's going. It's going. Let's see if that works. That's so great. All right, we'll do more than just that, guys. What's that LOL one? That's so cool. Oh my God. Can someone do an image? Someone try an image. Oh, but do you record? You don't need an href. Oh my gosh. Button. Does button actually work? I love that so much. What is that? Because I thought we oh, it's like going to the right. Someone added. Oh, someone did add a button. That is so funny. It's trying so hard to like. That's so funny. Oh God, there's like download links. I'm not gonna click any of them. I'm not clicking any of them. What's the forbidden? Oh, Marquee does. That's what Marquee does. That's so funny. Oh no, you missed something. What did you miss? What did he miss? Color gray. Oh, your quote. I don't know. I don't know what you missed there. The industrial. Maybe we could go a little bit smaller than that. No, see, retribution. We prevented body tags and all that. That's so funny. That's so great. And scripts art. That's so funny. You guys, what could I do? Let me ask you guys real quick. What position tag would it be? So let me open this up in its own thing. What so there isn't, do I do position? How do I make the table? So table, where's table? Table, isn't it position? No, position absolute? Is that it? How do I make it that the text, what is it? Can someone help me? What text, how do I make it that the text, when it goes off the screen, the scroll button doesn't show up? Like, we just let it fall off if we want to. Is it fixed? Oh, I think it's fixed. I think that's how you do it. Is it fixed, maybe? Overflow? Hello? Is it position? Oh, that's not a thing. Wait, hold on, sorry. It probably is a thing. No, it's not. It's not letting me do overflow. I think it might be fixed. Anyone else? Yeah, fixed. Okay, let me run it again. Overflow hidden. Oh, it's I see. I'm sorry. Excuse me. You're saying overflow : hidden. So if I get rid of position, well, I still see the horizontal. I think it's position fixed. I think that's it. Yeah, I got the semicolons. Okay, let's run it again. The Industrial Revolution, and it's someone's got to do an image. I want to see an image. Or does YouTube mark it as spam, maybe? Is that what it is? All right, I'm authenticating again, guys. Gaming channel. All right, here we go. You ready? It'll refresh. Here we go. Allow. All right, it's starting to cook up again. Oh God, someone added an image. Never gonna give you up. That I'm happy to see. Come on, Yomo. Let's see if you did it. It's loading. Oh my God. You might have to do it again, Yomo. I don't think it wasn't running yet. Flashing text. We don't allow scripts. Oh. Ew. Did someone... No, it's still up. Is that stupid Is it OBS again? Oh my God, it was literally OBS. How am I supposed to prevent that? OBS, that was OBS. It wasn't even Bimbot. Bimbot didn't crash. It was OBS. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, we're the first chat to allow images. No, I'm kidding. That's probably not true. That is so funny. Maybe you can make the width. Make the width like 50. Bro, the text is like fighting to be on top. That's so funny. Great job, Yomo. Yomo's the first person to add an image. And for it to be a Rickroll is amazing. Is video? I don't allow iframes. You could do GIFs. If someone wants to do a GIF, that would work. Body tags don't work, guys. You can't do body tags. I prevented that. Guys, can we not do the text so large? There you go, Yomo. That would be good. Oh, someone changed the font. Can we solely start speaking in only Times New Roman, please? Guys, can you set the font to at least maybe like do like 20? Try not to change the... Oh my God, look at the freaking Yomo. That's so good. You could probably do bigger than that. I didn't realize it'd be that small. That is so funny. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love this so much. And it's working. It's fully working. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Bow, bow. Let me out. What's that even say? Bravo? Bravo 6 going dark. You almost sent a width of 3. Oh man, you should have said pixels, PX. Jaden mom big. This is so funny. Guys, you're making the font too large. It takes up the entire screen. I could probably set a max, couldn't I? But it overwrites it with the P. I don't know how I could do that. All right. Since I'm getting tired of font size, we're getting rid of that. There you go. You can do other things, but not font size. I'm letting you guys do other things, just not font size anymore. Because that one's just too annoying. We'll just keep eliminating until, like, there's nothing left. Alright, here we go. YouTube and YouTube Gaming. My main and the gaming are up. Here we go. Alright, it's going to fix it. Alright, you guys can do other things than the font size. Oh, God. Retribution. What did he do? Oh, I guess you can. You're still able to do. Hold on. That was in chat updater. Rare. So who's? Why is it? I'm wondering if I'm missing something. What am I missing? Images don't work, Jaden. How are you guys still doing? Is it because they're I get H1s. H1s are fine. I don't really understand how you're changing the font size still, though. So let me go to that real quick. Font. That's. Did I do it wrong? Hold on. What am I doing different here? What am I doing different here? What's the difference? There is no difference. I don't really understand that. For word in bad words, should I convert it? It should be returning. I don't really get that. Probably link permission. Some Yoma was able to do it. Oh, but I see. He's a mod, which makes sense. That definitely makes sense. Which it's not running right now, guys. I'm trying to figure out why. Oh, the comma. I'm such a silly goose. Everyone say silly goose Jaden. Silly goose Jaden. That's why font size was still working, because I didn't add a comma. All right, here we go. Allow. All right, we authenticated both YouTube accounts. It's warming up. It's starting up. BR can be easily abused. What's BR? Remove BR. Oh, break. I'll be removing the less than and greater than sign soon. So I think that's old. That's an old message. I'm going to let it cycle through all of these guys. Oh my God, Cheeseburger. You are hilarious. See, wouldn't that be cool? People get, let's just all make our own websites in the chat. And every time you want to promote your own website, you have to do it through. This is the future right here. Oh my God, Yomo's about to send a GIF, which should work. I mean, that definitely should work. Oh, we actually got, what is this? Oh, someone sent a donation. Oh, I see. Update chat box. Go. User. Sorry. That's my fault. Thank you to... I'll figure it out in just a second. Thank you to Not Skelly. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I'm trying to... All right, here we go. I'm trying to fix things, guys. This is what this is all about. All right, here we go. Here we go. Run. Main channel. Continue. Continue. And then the gaming channel. Gaming. Continue. Allow. All right, there you guys go. It's warming up. You always got to give it a second. It's connecting. And then 5 seconds. There we go. It's connected. Do you know Twordclaw? Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger's got the coolest message so far. Like I said, you can't do font size anymore. Oh my God, that is so funny. Our first GIF. That is hilarious. Is it bouncing? How'd you do a freaking JavaScript thing? Oh no. That's so good. What's the oh, alert. I see. Okay. So we can get rid of alert. Sure. Thank you very much for adding that. We're having fun, aren't we? Is it alert? How does it go? Alert parenthesis. Okay. So we'll just do that. All right. And then boop. That's so funny because that definitely it like takes over. It takes over my computer. All right, so we'll run it again. Here we go. Here we go. This is like so fun. I love this. Is this not the coolest chat experience you've ever had? I mean, come on. I think Bimbot is already better than everybody. All right, there we go. All right, it's starting. It's cooking. It's cooking. We had a celebrity. We have a celebrity in the chat. Who's the celeb? All right, it is. It's going, guys. There you guys go. Oh, I think I might have to refresh Bimbot again from OBS. Oh my God. Stupid OBS, man. Here, let me get rid of do. Let me get rid of I think we might be good now. There we go. Okay. This is so great. Oh my god. This is the coolest chat. This is the coolest chat ever. If Bimbot isn't the coolest chat, I don't know. My name is Rainbow. Oh, that's so cool. I'm learning like more like HTML things from you guys like than ever before. This is ChatGPT should train off of this. No, I'm kidding. That's a terrible idea. Font size no longer works, guys. So, images, no working. I think because of YouTube. So only mods can do it. I'm pretty sure. This is sick. Thank you. Buy Jaden merch. Yes. Yes. Do a flip. How do I make it? Can someone tell me? We could fix one more thing. How do I make it that it goes to the bottom? Look, again, I think that's literally... It's literally stupid OBS. That's OBS. Having a freaking breakdown. Like, what am I supposed to do if OBS does that? We're still good. Hey, OBS, stop. Oh my god, it's literally... What is this doing, dog? There we go. Again, like I said, that wasn't even Bimbot crashing. Hello, Jaden. This is cool. I agree. Should I click it? No. I'm not doing that. I'm kidding. You guys don't have access to scripts anymore, which is good. Oh, is prompt one of them? I want to see this. That didn't work. Oh my god. Look at that. Someone... Oh, look at that. That's smart. So that's so clever. I think it's going to fix itself once it gets removed, once it cycles through all the chat messages. So you did one error. Oh, that's clever. That's really interesting. What I should do is get rid of the word HTML. That's very cool. Oh, look at that gradient. Thank you to whoever just did that. So let's just get rid of the word HTML in the future. I'm asking the person to maybe not do it right now. Because I have to restart the chat, which takes a minute, but it's fine. Can we all do let's all do Times New Roman font. Script doesn't work, so you can't do script, which is good, thank God. Script no longer works. Who made this chicken? It's dry. That's a cool one, Medieval. Bro, you still coding? I think at this point we got it working. How do I make it? Can someone tell me? How do I make it that it force goes down to the bottom of the page? You know? How do I make it that if there's more text on the screen, it goes to the bottom? Like it strolls all the way down. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. Divs are actually allowed. I should eliminate divs. But at the moment, there's no reason. They're not hurting anything. Go get Jaden's merch, please. Yeah, guys, we do have new merch. Who made this chicken? I want to click it so bad. I want to click it. Who made this chicken? It's dry. That's great, Smith. All my fellas. All my fellas. Box with... Did someone add an input field? I could type in it. Oh, like, I think because it keeps refreshing, it doesn't work. That's so funny. Box with border. So, guys, again, how do I make it float to the bottom of the page instead? Does anyone know? In... Ask ChatGPT. That's literally what I'm doing. I don't want to do a scrolling thing. It says container. Height overflow Y. Can I open this, please? Hello? Hello? Okay. So one thing says overflow. Overflow dash Y. Scroll. Would that do it? Can you guys, so like, huh. That's so funny. That's hilarious. When is brother Chad gonna take us for a ride, Father? Maybe soon. Alright, guys. I think you're gonna hate it. You're gonna hate it. I am going to remove the brackets. The greater than or less than signs. But bam. All right, no more HTML. No more HTML. I'm sorry. We had our fun. Hey, we had our fun. Continue. Here, I'll let it rerun again. All right, there we go. Baller. We could call this, we could actually have two options that I could save. So we could call this bad words, and then this is bad words HTML. There we go. So I think everything past these messages are going to be, they are going to be normal. So it doesn't add anything with the less than or greater than sign. Goodbye. Everyone say bye, divs. Goodbye, divs. Goodbye, HTML. This is the last one. This is it, guys. Right there. This is the goodbye, Wally. The final one. Truly 1984. Oh, man. There it is. Back to normal. Yeah, see, it don't work no more. It don't work no more. That's so great. A little bit of spam in the chat. Does he pay attention to his Twitch? Or yeah, so this is what I'm going to do is we'll do the Twitch chat, get that working soon. But I do have to go, though, unfortunately, guys. Twitch will be the next one to be connected to the chat here. And then we'll be good to go, I'm pretty sure. But thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I have to end there. JD. Hello, where are you? I'm gonna end it there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Frickin' 2 YouTube chats that work together, and the donations work for text to speech. Bimbot is becoming a success. I'm telling you, it's becoming a success. I'm so freaking proud. This looks awesome. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. And I will see you next time. Twitch, I'm coming for you next. All right, thanks guys.